Okay, so let's have a look at how we're going to do this fitting exercise. So click on File, New, Part, OK. And then what we're looking to do is we're looking to draw a rectangle. And the rectangle we're looking to draw is going to be on the front plane. So we left click on front plane. We can open up a sketch there and we go to rectangle. Now we can select center rectangle. Draw a center rectangle. I'm going to smart dimension it. So it's 90 in the height and it is 170 in the width. Okay? Now I can do a lot of me editing in here in the sketching. So I can go in here and I can go and draw a line from here down to here. And I can dimension that. I can tell it that from there, the left edge to the top of the chamfer is 135. I can also tell it that from that edge there, or that point there to the bottom edge is 44. That will give me that. Okay? I can go into trim, and I can go up here, make sure I'm on power trim, and holding my left mouse button, I can come in and trim away the bits that I don't need. Okay? You can see it turns blue because I'm after breaking that dimension, that relationship there. This doesn't know where it's meant to go now. Okay, so I can delete that if I wanted to, but it doesn't really matter, it's not there. Okay, the next thing, I can go up to Sketch Fillet. So select Sketch Fillet, change the dimensions here to 20, and click on the first line and the second line. Click on the green tick. There's my Sketch Fillet. The last thing I need to do now is I need to put in my slots. So then to the slot command, it's in the first column in the bottom row. Click on slots. I'm going to draw a line straight up and then move it out. Click again. Again, start over here, move it straight up, click and move it out. Now what you could do is you could actually pull that tracking line over there, make sure it's around the right height. Okay? The last up here is somewhere up here. Again we click, bring it down straight and move it out. We smart dimension those, so we're looking for that distance there is 20. The radius is 10, so the radius is 10 here. The same over here, that's 10. And the height up there is 20. The distance between that edge and that edge is 25. Distance between this edge and this edge is 35. Okay, and then the top dimensions we have to do as well. So this is radius 15. Distance from that point to this point, this line, sorry, is 30. And then the last piece over here is the distance from that line to this edge is 70. Okay, that's it. Then I can go to trim again. I can just go in and trim away the bits I don't want. Yes, I want to destroy the entity. Come in there. Yes, I want to destroy the entity. And there. It just keeps asking me, do you want to destroy the entity? Because without that curve, that slot doesn't exist. That's my geometry draw there. I can now simply just click on Features, Extrude it boss base, and extrude it by 10 millimeters. And that is the shape. I then go File, Save As, and we save it as a part. So I want to save it as fitting exercise. And then I can go to File, New, Drawing, OK. I select A4 ISO and click OK. I come in there and because I've saved it and it's open, it's shown here in Open Documents. I can just click on Next, click up there, and it's gone into orthographic view, so isometric view. I want to come down here to orthographic view and select front, and that will bring it back in. That does that view. Click on the green tick, and then we go to Drawing, Projected View, and we project the plan. We drag your plan down, and now we go and we add in dimensions. So we click on Annotations, Model Items, Entire Model. Click on the entire thing. There are the dimensions. We just need to drag them around and make them look a little bit more neat. We only need 4 dimensions for this exercise, so you can delete any dimensions that you don't need. When you're finished deleting your dimensions, you click on File, Save As, Fitting Exercise, Assignment 2. select Save As Type and click on PDF and click Save. And then upload that to Moodle. And that's how you do that for the exercise assignment.